So guys, we're gonna do air intake filter and a cabin air filter change. This is on a 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE. This generation of cars all have there's two options of engines: the 4-cylinder and the 6-cylinder. So this is a 6-cylinder. So if you have one of these, this is what you do to change your intake air filter and the cabin air filter. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. So this here is one of the easiest ones to change, because all he has is just clips that you got to pop off to take the cap off for the filter. Well, let's get the old filter out. So pop just two of these and you just lift it up. And here's the filter. And the replacement filter I'm using, this is the same one I use for my Honda CR-V. So I'll put the link in the description, but if you're trying to buy it somewhere else other than Amazon, it's a GP075. Alright, so there's your brand new filter compared to your old one. This is a different color, but so you can tell this is the old one. It's got to go. Alright, so easy as that. Put the new one in. Close it up. And we're done. It's super easy to do. Anybody can do this. And now we'll go inside the cabin and change the cabin air filter. So I got the hood closed. Now we're gonna go. All right, now we got to do the cabin air filter. I'm using the same brand. And here's the part number, CP285. I'll put the link in the description for this also. So we're gonna open up the glove box, and on the side you will notice this tab right here. All you have to do is just pretty much yank this out right here. If you pull it this way, it'll come right off. After that, you're gonna squeeze this side and that side, both sides together, and it will flop open. Squeeze both sides and drop it down. Once you drop it down, if you look inside, you'll see where the cabin air filter lives. So if you pull that, it'll come drop. There's two tabs on both sides of these. So if you pull that and push this one, and this will come out. And there's your filter right here. And you notice the direction. So we're gonna put the same way when you get the other one. Replacement. Here's the one I pulled out. As you can see, it's super dirty, so we're gonna get this replaced. Alright, so we're gonna put the new one in, and you can even notice on the cover that it will say the direction of airflow. So that is up. And we'll put the new filter in. This one's a carbon activated filter. It's supposed to be better, so. And we'll put this in the same way it came out. Push it all the way in. Alright, I'll put the cover back on, and it says direction up. It's on, and you close this up. Alright, now it's just putting our bin back off. Don't worry if it falls off. There's a hook right there, you can see. So you gotta get it back on there and push it in. You don't have to squeeze it when you put it back in. If you just push it in, it'll come off. And we're gonna put this tab back on. Just pull it down and push it in there. There you go. And that's it. All done. So that's how you replace a intake filter and the cabin air filter in Toyota Highlander. See you guys next time.